The big area of high pressure is moving back into our area and the southwest portions of the country. So what that means is triple digits are coming back. We expect it to be dry the rest of July, and dangerous heat is starting to build back in. Here's what I'm watching though. So I'm going to take this all the way to the last day of July. Some indications this big ridge will start moving west. That would allow for some backdoor cold front activity to come in, and that doesn't mean it's going to get cool, but it does at least bring us a chance for some spotty showers and thunderstorms for the first week of August. Something. Highs in the 90s. We'll take it. Heat advisory has been extended into Saturday. I fully expect you're going to see it all weekend long, but for now it's through Saturday. Expect it Sunday. Expect it much of next week too, and there could even be some extreme heat warnings issued next week as well. 93 the temperature now. DFW feels like 100 degrees when you factor in the humidity. Our live allergy count, moderate for fungus. Here's the thing with this. This is taken live every hour right here in North Texas. This thing is awesome because you're getting a real view of what's actually floating in the air. And there's some additions today. Grass, goosefoot, pine, dock and sorrel, those have been hanging around. But look, ragweed is back to the allergy count. Sagebrush is also on the allergy count. That is low. We've had mostly cloudy skies today. That has been awesome. That has kept the temperatures in the 90s. Tomorrow, not so lucky. We're back to the triple digits. 101 for Dallas, 100 for Mineral Wells, Sulphur Springs 100, Greenville 100, Corsicana 98 degrees, Gainesville 99, Sherman 101. And if you look at the next 5 days, it actually just goes up. So Saturday 101 for DFW, Sunday 102, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday 103 to 105. Heat index values will be approaching 110 degrees for next week. Normal high is 97 degrees. So we are going to be above that normal, but this is the hottest time of the year. We are in the dog days of summer, as we call it, the hottest time of the year. This will linger for a couple of weeks in August. Then the climatological normal high starts to go down. But you got to get through the first couple of weeks of August. In the meantime, we are in for another stretch of high heat through this weekend and next week. 81 tonight, partly cloudy skies. So the clouds we have now will start to break up a little bit later tonight. So instead of overcast or mostly cloudy, we'll go down to partly cloudy status later tonight. Warm, muggy, and breezy with south winds 10 to 20 tonight. Tomorrow, 101. It's back to the triple digits. It's mostly sunny, hot and humid. Light winds tomorrow out of the southwest 5 to 10. The 14-day forecast. Let's look at the first 7. That takes us through the end of July. It's hot. Triple digits are expected every day for the rest of this month. 101 up to 105. Heat index values will be in that 105 to 109 range. That's why I expect that heat advisory to be extended. You might even see an extreme heat warning issued by the middle of next week. We'll keep an eye on that. Now let's get into the first week of August. On the first week of August on the 14-day forecast. Notice how the temperatures start to go down a little bit. No, it's not a dramatic cool down, but upper 90s for a few of those days and a couple chances for some scattered showers and storms. I think our next chance of rain is August 1st. On Saturday, we could have some scattered showers and storms as a weak front may slide through from northeast to southwest as that ridge I showed you at the top of the weathercast here, as that starts to slide to the west. That'll allow for a chance of rain or two. But overall, no substantial cool downs, no significant chances of rain, but some improvements the first week of August.